Hi, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 109 7th Street in West Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in just a moment, but I'm going to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located just off of D Street in Petaluma, a short distance from downtown Petaluma. There's a ton of beautiful features to this home. Lovely gardens, a beautiful porch. So you come into the living room, and there's a lot of original character in this home. I'm not going to point out the box beam ceiling and the vintage lighting, but there's a lot of really modern, nice additions as well. This is the stairs that go up to the bedrooms. Beautiful dining room. And the first bedroom is downstairs. And really nice feature of this home is that there is just a ton of storage. So first bathroom with a claw tub. And a really nice storage area. Corner sink. Just absolutely stunning. Beautiful closet. So I'll pause here so you can really see the dining room. And the kitchen is very sweet, vintage, modern, country. It's just fantastic. Big farm sink and marble countertops. And that butler kind of pantry here with lots of additional storage that goes all the way to the ceiling. And there's a beautiful den. And wait until you see the doors that go out to the back deck. Just a window beautiful to the back deck. And I'll take you to the backyard, then we'll go upstairs. So beautiful back porch. I'll take you down to the garden. Has beautiful seating and eating areas. There's mature fruit trees as well. I believe a peach and a persimmon. So beautiful seating area here. And a dining area here. Lots of tall bushes that give you a lot of privacy. Very European feeling down here. Nice seating area here. And then there's a really fun space down here where there's some wine refrigerators. It'd be a great place for a movie night. And now we'll go upstairs to the bedrooms. And I'm going to take you there through the back stairway. So it would be where, in a different era, perhaps the assistants at the house would be helping, and they had the back stairway. off the kitchen. So a really beautiful feature of the home. So we're gonna go up the back staircase to the bedrooms upstairs, and then I'll take you down the main staircase. So you come up, and immediately to your right is the laundry room with a lot of really nice vintage features. You can see the staircase and this bedroom upstairs. And in the hallway, there's a linen closet. Like I said, it's really big. The hall bathroom. Primary suite. Look at these built-ins, just beautiful. Then I'll show you the primary suite's closet. Amazing. And the bathroom, which used to be a screened porch, but the owner converted it into a primary suite bathroom with tub, shower. All these windows open to make a screen porch. And look at that view. It's just lovely. And there is a privacy area for the toilet. This is the main staircase in the front of the home. This bedroom faces the front of the home and has another amazing closet. Lots of storage here. You can see the hallway. And now we'll go down the main staircase. Love squeaky steps. And now we're back to the main living room. So again, this is 109 7th Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.